All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It is JD on 3, and I have a small unboxing for you today. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, so like I said, I got a small unboxing today. I ordered off of Slingmods, and it finally came. I'm really excited for this item. I'm a little nervous as well because it's kind of expensive, but I'm seeing a lot of good things on it. The only thing that stopped me from getting it before is the price point. But I went on ahead, broke down, and got it. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. As you see, I already had the box open, and inside the box, looks like you get some instructions, and you can see some brackets on the inside. I know that's not really going to tell you much, but what we do have is the steering stabilizer. So let me open it up some more and really see what all we get inside the box. All right, you guys, so again, you get this nice steering dampener here. You see, you get your clamp. You get all the tools that you need. You get a set of instructions. You can see you got your 2 brackets that you need. And I think that's pretty much key to this install is the type of brackets that you get. I know that I've seen this style dampener before. I think I've seen it on Amazon. It looks exactly the same, and they have different kinds, but I think the key to this are definitely going to be these clamps, and that's what you want. You want these style clamps. That way it connects to the bars the way that you need it to, and then that way you don't have an issue. Of course, you get all your hardware, and like get a couple of stickers, a couple other stickers in the box there. So really nice package. I'm hearing a lot of good things about it. And again, why do you want this? As far as I've been seeing and hearing, this is really going to help you in the stabilization process of the Ryker. So whenever you hit uneven surfaces, bumps, you're not going to have that jerky. You're not going to have that wobbliness into the handlebars. It's not going to feel uncontrollable. A lot of people are saying that they feel unsafe at times when there are in those uneven surfaces. So this is supposed to really dampen that. So that is something that I can't say that I don't feel unsafe, but I do know when I hit uneven surfaces, my handlebars will do this weird shaking, and I don't really like that. Especially on a type of road that's kind of rough for a long period of time. My handlebars will do shaking, and I do not like that. So we'll see if this actually helps. So that's going to be it basically for the unboxing process. Just see what's in the box, why you want it, and again, the cost of this is $259. $259, and I got it off of Slingmods. You can get it from the Ryker Mod, and let me show you them. I know rykermod.com. This is where I know like this is their product. I know Slingmods has it, but if you want to get it from this site, you can. And that's gonna really do it for this video. Just wanted to get this thing unboxed. Next is the install process. Separate video for that. But anyway, guys, hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, tap in. You know what to do.